Hello everyone, welcome to Bob Squire.
Hope you're all doing very good. And I hope my previous video on methodology of hotel design was useful to you. And in today's video, I thought of sharing few information which I learned while I was designing a hotel for an architectural thesis. Okay. And I felt the zoning and spatial organization is most important topic which we have to take it into consideration before designing a hotel. Once when we are clear with this zoning and spatial organization, we are ready with the hotel, like we can do it in a more easiest way. Okay, let's jump to the topic. Now, let me show you how the hotels are being designed. We say a design is successful when the design is user friendly and it's also functioning properly. And this functioning will depend mainly upon the users. Okay. So in a hotel, there are two types of users. They are the guests and the other one is employees. Okay. They too play a very major role in a hotel function. Here, usually before designing a hotel, we have to go through some literature studies and also few case studies such that we will have more clarity in designing. When we look at a few hotels and also other literature studies, there are guest zone and the employee zone. The guest zone and the employee zones are buffered from each other, but still they are connected, which means the guests, who are coming to the hotel, they will not know what's happening in the linen area or in the service area or what's happening, what vegetables are being brought. And so they all have to be buffered from the guest. Okay. In today's hotel, I have taken a five-star hotel as example. See, the two zones are very important and they have to be buffered. Still, they have to be connected. And this buffering can be done either through a lift, a restaurant, a proper in-between space, a lawn, or all. It depends upon the designer who is planning to make a hotel. Okay. And this is employee zone. The employee zone comprises of both the HR and also the housekeeping people and the service area, garbage in and out, and also how the groceries have been brought out, and then the laundry, linen, everything comes under this zone. And in the guest zone, it comprises mainly of what we say as banquets and the guest areas. See, here I have shown you the three important places in a hotel. One is the guest space, employee space, and another one is a banquet space. And this banquet and the ballroom depends upon the type of hotel we are designing. In a five-star hotel, now we are planning to make a banquet hall, a ballroom, and two meeting rooms. Keeping a restaurant here or keeping it in another private area or public area, it all depends upon the type of designer. Okay. And now coming to the next slide, I am showing you a simple sketch just for making it clear, like the different types of zones in a hotel. See, here this basement comprises of the entire housekeeping and the HR department and the back offices, everything. And this is for the ground floor where it comprises of the lobby, restaurant, the music area, whatever we are planning. And usually the first floor would be allocated to banquets and the meeting rooms. And it also, once again, depends upon the designer. And usually the tower comprises of the rooms. Okay. While coming to the next one, you know, I have shown you the different spaces required for the two users. Okay. And these spaces will be connected through lift, through lobbies, and through staircases. And the lift is also another important topic, okay, because there are two types of lifts in a hotel, one that services guests and another one is kept for servicing. Okay, we have to see in detail. And that's why I told before designing a hotel, we have to go on a live study. Here I have shown you how the zones are buffered. And this is on the tower. Usually, that designing of a tower, that is the hotel rooms, is very simple and easy because the same is gonna be replicated. It's only about the suites and the rooms where we gonna locate and how we gonna locate. Only that differs. And here I have shown you about the employee area. Like these are the two service lifts, and another one would be for the food lift and the connecting staircase and the laundry. They would have separate entry. It could be either to the basement, and also we have to take into consideration, because the hotel will have, maybe it may have two different entries, one servicing the guest and another one for the hotel functioning. And this is about the training room because HR department is also very important, and so they also have to be taken into very keen notice because functioning of hotel depends only upon the employee zones, because when the functioning in the employee zones are working properly, the total hotel will be successful. Here I am showing you the main area, the lobby lounge, the guest zone. Like it's all just an example I'm showing, like how the two areas have been separated, still they are connected. And so this is for the employees, like these are all the different spaces present in an employee area and how they have to be kept, and how they have to be bubbled in the design. And this is about the guests, like how much space would be accommodated for each different types of hotel. And this one, I have just given a very quick requirements for the hotel. But while before designing a hotel, you have to go through a complete authorized regulations so that the hotel would be more useful. So I hope my video was useful to you. And till then, thank you. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in hotel design. Thank you.